Slowly place your hand on the front of the mat. By swinging forward, tuck your toes in, straight your leg, find a downward facing dog. Now inhale, lift your right leg up, place your right leg forward, slowly come up for warrior C. Nice and slowly find a balance and stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift your trunk up. Now this time we are moving to Garudasana. So bend your right leg, cross your left over your right. Find a balance. Now try to shift your hip back. Find a balance first and try to shift your hip back. Lean a bit forward by crossing your opposite hand and find a balance. Hold here. Keep pressing your big toe. Breathe in and breathe out for 3, 2, and 1. Now release your leg, release your hand. Now place your right hand on the waist with your middle finger or index finger of your left leg. Grab your left leg and slowly extend your leg forward. Make sure your shoulders should be aligned. Find a balance, not like this. Try to push back your leg and hold here. Pull back your leg and hold here for 3, 2, 1. Now from here, release your hand, slightly shift forward, extend your leg back. Now from here, go for full forward. Place your left hand down. Now with your right hand, grab your right ankle and stretch your leg up as high as you can. And hold here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take a fingertip support, look forward and jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up and exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. Nice. Now this time, we'll do with the left leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Place your left foot forward. Inhale up. Shift your weight forward. Find your warrior C and hold here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. And this time we are moving to Garudasana. So same thing. This time cross your right leg over your left. Shift your hip back. Now go for the opposite hand. Find a balance and hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Release your hand, release your leg. Place your hands on your waist. Now with your right hand, grab your grab your big toe. Again, pull your leg back and hold here for 3, 2, 1. Release your leg, release your hand and hold here. Exhale, shift your weight forward, extend your right leg back and hold here. As you exhale, go for full forward. Now this time, place your right hand down. With your left hand, grab your ankle and stretch your leg as high as you can and hold here for 3, 2, 4, and 5. Release your head, lengthening your spine and exhale. Jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up and exhale. Go back to downward facing dog. Slowly drop your knees down. Drop your head back and relax. Slow down your breath, nice and slowly. Exhale back to downward facing dog. Now this time we are moving to Vatayasana. It's kind of challenging pose. So first I will demonstrate you. So wherever you are, just sit back, relax, and look here. So you have to come on the standing posture. So Just like this. Place your left foot or your right foot over your left or right thigh. Now by finding your balance, in case you are falling towards the right side, you have to use your big toe to maintain your balance equal. And as you find your balance, you can slowly bend your right leg, drop your hip back, and first go with your hand by taking your fingertip support, find your balance, maintain your base, and slowly bend your right knee and drop your left thigh down like this. So those who are feeling uncomfortable here, they can stay with the both hands, and when you find your balance, try to lift your hands up and cross your opposite hand, and we're going to hold here for 5 seconds. So in case lifting your hand up is kind of difficult for you, so you can place your hand down and just try to maintain your balance here. This posture called Vatayasana. So let's start. So this is our last position, our downward facing dog. So stand in downward facing dog. Breathe in and breathe out. Find a balance, find your time. Prepare your mindset. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Place your right leg forward. Inhale, extend your leg up. Find a warrior C. Inhale, lift your trunk up. So one more thing, if you have a knee pain, so while dropping your knee down, you can fold your mat to give an extra surface for your knee. Now from here, place your left foot over your right thigh. The same thing, first try to maintain your balance equal. Now do focus on your breathing and your big toe. Keep pressing your big toe, maintain your line. Breathe in and slowly by dropping your hip backward, bend your knee, find a balance nice and slowly. Go down, down, down. Now take a support with your fingertip. As you find balance, slowly drop your knee down. As you inhale, cross your opposite hand and find your balance. And hold here for 5, 4, 3. Maintain your spine straight. 2, 1. Exhale. Release your hand down. Take a fingertip support. Slowly shift a bit forward. Inhale, straight your leg. And inhale, lift your trunk up. Exhale, release your leg. Now shake your leg. Now this time we're going to do with the right leg. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Place your right foot over your left thigh. So same thing. Without going downward, try to find a balance. Keep pressing your big toe. And exhale. Knee forward, hip backward. Find a balance. Drop your hands down. Slowly drop your knee down. Inhale. And now go for opposite hand. And hold here. For 5, 4, keep pressing your big toe. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release. Find a balance. Shift a bit forward and lift your knee up. Straight your leg. And exhale, release. Now shake your leg. Rotate your ankle. Now inhale, lift your hands up overhead. Exhale, go for full forward. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale for Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, go back to Adho Mukha. Stay here. By dropping your knees down, exhale, relax in child pose. Release your hand back. Breathe in and breathe out.